Hi, I'm Tamra. I want to welcome you back to my kitchen. It's summertime here and there's an abundance of zucchini. I don't know if you're growing any, but if you have zucchini, it seems to come all at once. So today I'm going to share a new recipe that I've recently discovered that's wonderful as an appetizer or a side dish. Recipe is called Zucchini Parmesan Bites. So it's a simple recipe. You need 2 or 3 zucchinis, depending on how big of a crowd you're feeding. And then I like to cut my zucchini into good stick-sized pieces so that they're fairly even. So basically you cut them into a similar shape like this. Try to make them as consistent as possible just so that they cook evenly. We're going to bake them in the oven. So as you can see, I have green and yellow. You can use all yellow or all green, but this just makes a nice mix of colors. They actually taste the same. There's no difference at all in the taste. 1 or 2 would be good. You don't want them too large because then the seeds are pretty big inside, whereas this you're just going to have the soft flesh, so that's good. And then you mix all the dry ingredients together, which is a 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese, a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic salt, a 1/2 teaspoon of basil, 1/2 teaspoon of thyme, a 1/2 teaspoon oregano, and then just mix it together. Turn my oven on to 400 with convection, and that really circulates the air, and then the cheese gets nice and crispy and they brown. But you could also do it at a lower temperature for about 350 and then broil it at the end to get the same effect. You need about 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Depending on how many zucchini you do, you might need to add a little bit more. And I'm just kind of going to dip and roll the zucchini sticks in the olive oil before I place it into the spice mixture. So just a light coating. I don't want it on too thick. And then I like to spray my dish with a bit of oil. So I put a piece of parchment underneath. I don't think that's absolutely necessary, but I'm going to grab all the crumbs that fall through and sprinkle them on the top afterwards. So that just makes that job a little easier. I've spaced these so that the air can get around them nicely and crisp them up. But there we are. The tray is full. We'll pop it in the oven. Minutes at 400 in my convection oven. Let's see how they're doing. Oh, they look perfect, absolutely perfect. We served them with this spinach dip that we have at the farm, which was really good. We just dipped it into the spinach dip, but ranch dressing would be good too, or just eat them the way they are. They're loaded with flavor with the different spices. This is the leftover Parmesan that was in the bottom of my dish. So I'm just going to cut in a little bit of fresh parsley, stir it around a bit, and then just dust it lightly. And that's how you make Zucchini Parmesan Bites. If you found this video helpful, press the like button and subscribe for more videos.